In this activity, the student was measuring the density and carrying out activities related to measurements. So the student started by measuring the length and the width and the height and the sides of a cube and an aluminum bar, and then he was able to compare the same for copper and a copper bar and a copper cube. He used a scale, so he was able to learn that to confirm accuracy of your scale, so you check. He was able to check that the scale is calibrated, and then having confirmed, use that to measure the weight and also the weight of the metal bar, and then he was able to record. He used the centimeter and the millimeter scale to measure the length of the metal bar and then measure the width and also measure the height. The student also was able to measure the side and the side and the side of a cube. He recorded the lengths, and using these measurements he learned various skills, hands-on activities of measuring length and mass, how to use a digital scale, how to properly use length, and how to properly calibrate a scale. So these are STEM activities that are actual and real for use in industry. Then he was able to use a table to compare the measurements, the volumes, calculate volumes. He used formulas to calculate volumes, and then finally he was able to use his measurements to calculate the density. Finally, the student was able to respond to various calculations using calculator and recorded his. He was also able to use measuring cylinder for other measurements. So this is what the STEM activity looks like. Hope you enjoy this video.